Hello friends. Um, the other day I was talking about the materials what we are using for drawing. These are the few materials I'm showing you. Pencils, just look at the pencils. Okay, these are the pencils. See this pencil, how dark it is. It is very dark, and then this you can use just for sketching. You nowadays you get lots of pencils, different type of pencils, all shading pencils you get, HBs and all that. Then you may be wondering what are these. I told you it's paper. I told you that you have to roll the paper. This is a paper rolled, and it like straw, make it tight and stick it over here, and so this is being used for shading. Okay, so this is a small one for in a small area where you want to do shading. This also is the same purpose. Then I use this also in my painting. I use this also. And then the erasers I cut so that I use these sharp edges to get some real effect when we are doing some pencil work. And this I wanted to tell you about. This is a shoe brush. You can see, na, shoe polish brush. Here I removed the bristles and then I pasted a cloth over here, just a plain cloth, and behind here I have stuck one sandpaper. So this I use during my sketching. This is the cloth. Wherever I want to use, I use this, and this I use sandpaper mostly when I need. I use pencil. I sharpen like so, make it very. Sometime in the pencil, sometime you need one side nice and sharp. So you do this way, and then you get a sharp edge. I don't know whether you can see this. Yes. So this tip is very useful when you are doing some minute work and all that. Another thing, when you brushed over here, you can see some powder is come over here. You can see now that carbon. So that carbon I take a small cloth, and then I take little like this way. Okay, and then I use where I need. Can you see? So I use this cloth also. So these are some of the materials what I use, and I use this also because after painting I keep removing all the excess colors and all that. So this is the equipments what I use. And this also, this toothbrush also I use in some areas where I need to do lots of suppose a thick hair and beard, and that I want to do. So there I use this powder, this toothbrush, and then I keep brushing, and so you get some effect like this way. Can you see? Okay, I use over here all these area. So now I'll show you. These are the some different effects you get using brush as well as this paper smudger. I feel I use this word as a smudger because it keeps smudging. Okay, So you get this effect. Then what about this? Can you see the beard, the mustache? Yes, this more or less I use eraser. First I use all these materials I use, and I shade, I give shade, dark shade I give. After that with the can you see? Okay. So this way I can use a rubber eraser and try to get this type of texture, this type of effect. See, now this has some other effect. Can you see here?